Hi dear students, today we are going to study the topic convolution theorem on Z transform. Okay, now the convolution theorem plays an important role in the solution of difference equation and in probability problems solving sum of two independent random variables. Okay, so to understand the convolution theorem, let's first define what convolution is. Convolution is an operation that combines two functions or sequence to produce a third sequence that represents how one sequence modifies the other as it is shifted in time. Okay. In the time domain, the convolution of two sequences is expressed as x of n star y of n equal to sigma k equal to 0 to n x of k into y of n minus k. Okay, so this is the convolution of two sequences. Suppose we have two sequences x of n and y of n, then the convolution of these two sequences is defined as x of n star implies the convolution. So this star implies the operation convolution. Okay, so x of n star y of n is equal to sigma k varies from 0 to n x of k into y of n minus k. This is the definition of convolution of two sequences. Okay, now what is convolution theorem? The convolution theorem states that the multiplication of Z transform of two sequences is equal to the transform of their convolution. Okay, once again, the multiplication of the Z transform of two sequences. Here see, we have two sequences x of n and y of n. Their convolutions are x of n star y of n. So the convolution of two sequences x of n y of n is x of n star y of n. Then the Z transform of convolution of two sequences is equal to the convolution of their Z transforms. Here Z transform of x of n is x of z, Z transform of y of n is y of z. Okay, so this is what we call convolution theorem in Z transform. Okay, Z transform of x of n star y of n is equal to x of z into y of z. Okay, now the convolution theorem has many applications. One of the application is we can find out inverse using convolution theorem. Okay, so see this problem, find the inverse of Z transform of 8z square by 2z minus 1 into 4z minus 1. Okay, so this is a problem. So we are going to find out Z inverse of this function using convolution theorem. Now first of all you have to take the given function. Here the given function is 8z square divided by 2z minus 1 into 4z minus 1. Now from the denominator take 2 as common from the first factor and 4 as common from